everybody, and welcome to Flash tutorial number 1 of Renegade and Nims. Today we will be learning how to do the bounce effect in Flash. As you can see, I've already pre-made it, so we can review and redo it. As you can see here, I have my brother's original character, Colt, and Colt is bouncing into his pose like he did, but this is a different type of bounce. This is a better bounce. So here's what I did. Let me delete Colt. Delete all that. And yeah, let's begin. In Flash, I took my transparent. I took my transparent sheet, found one of his crouch poses, and copied it. There I pasted it and moved it so it fits better onto the screen. I made it 10 keyframes and entered a blank keyframe. A keyframe on the 11th frame. I converted it into a symbol, calling it Colt Crouch. And I went 4 frames ahead. There, I took and I moved the anchor point to the bottom. I did this on the 11th frame also. There, I took this Colt, I scaled him down, and made him wide. There, I entered another keyframe, where I made Colt tiny again. And I did that, created a keyframe, 3 keyframes later, and made Colt tall and small. So now we've got. Then what I did next is I entered a blank keyframe and got Colt's standing pose. I took the standing pose, copied it right there, and put it around here. I'll put it right here. What I did then was I created a keyframe, 3 keyframes later, and a keyframe right after. With the keyframe, I created these into symbols. Symbol 1 and symbol 2. There, I took symbol 2 and I selected it and I made Colt skinny and tall again. I moved the anchor point down on both frame 21 and frame 19. And then on frame 21, I took Colt and I made him small and tall. Then I let him stop back into finishing the bounce. Final product of the Flash and then turned out to be there. Thank you. If you have any notes for me, then contact me and send me an inbox. Thank you for watching the Flash tutorial. Renegades and Nims.